Hello folks, here I am on the other side of the Alegance pool by the bathrooms, and the bar is right there. Here, let me show you the bar. Bar's right there. Oh, hold up. Bathroom, like I said, is right here. Brand new doors in here as well. Last year I think they had the wooden doors, all brand new metal doors, much better, stronger, and it will last longer in the future. This area is not terrible, some cracking for the grounds. It is definitely in need of repair, but like I mentioned in the other video, you can see just a little, like it's more cracked than anything. There's nothing major, a little bit of grout required over there. But I think they're going to be, hopefully by the end of next year, if not sooner, they'll be doing some renovations. I'm hoping that eventually they will. When it actually happens, I have no clue. So, yeah, that's all I wanted to show you on this part was the bar, kind of a brief bar. I might do another video with more of the area with the bar itself there. I just wanted to show you the general area at the bar on the other side of the pool. Just a few moments there by the ground. That's all I want to show you today in this video. So I'll keep it at that. Oh yeah, and of course the bathrooms, of course, I can't forget that. But anyway, I'll show you that. I'll leave it at that. Okay. I think this means I need to go. All right. Ciao for now.